I just love you guys as we don't have subscribers, unfortunately, but we're just okay because we're not jealous at somebody else. They work hard for their million subscribers. So we're just getting this idea just for the Nazala family. So I'm just gonna do it. Good morning, sun is shining. Good morning, Ariel family. Good morning, April family. I think we're gonna get better at it, but we're just writing songs. And can you please comment a song we need to write to add that are in our songs? And we are just kids, but we have cousins names anong pangalan ko naman? Huh? We forgot it. But sino si Liam? Hindi, si Kuya Marcos. The Object Thingy. Kuya Marcos. The Object Thingy 2026. That's her name. So, look how I guitar. Bro. Yun ni me! Yo! Bro! Don't just die me! Well, let's write the comments. Who's much better? Good morning, sun is shining. Good morning, Anasala. No, Anasala, it's Abriel family. Ako naman. Oh! I'm sorry. Okay, how much? 3 to 1? I think. Comment down below. Team Amber. Team Amber, guys, not Team Amber. Team Avril. Team Amber. Team Avril. Team Avril. Look at this. What? I named the channel because this is her channel, not mine. I'm just her director. So we're launching this. So bye bye. See you tomorrow. Every day I'm gonna post. Bye.